Do you wish to learn about a straightforward and natural approach to enhancing your health and well-being? Do you want to find out more about a beverage that may assist you in shedding pounds, enhancing your immune system, clearing your skin, and more? Then you have arrived to the appropriate place. I am going to share with you in this video 6 incredible advantages of drinking clove water at night, which will make you want to give it a go as soon as possible. But before we get into it, what exactly is clove water? A straightforward, all-natural solution, clove water has several health benefits. For generations, people have utilized the tiny, fragrant flower buds of cloves as a spice and in medicine. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and eugenol, a substance with antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory qualities, are abundant in them. Now it's time to get started. Number 1. Reduce your levels of stress and anxiety. At night, drinking clove water can help relieve tension and anxiety by soothing the nervous system and increasing mood. This is because clove water has a compound called clove oil. Many individuals, particularly in today's fast-paced and demanding environment, struggle with stress and anxiety, which are widespread disorders that impact a large number of people. They have the potential to have adverse effects on both your physical and mental health, including the tendency to cause headaches, sleeplessness, depression, and a lowered immune system. Clove water has the potential to assist you in managing stress and anxiety by having a calming effect on your nerves and elevating your mood. The perfume of cloves is powerful but calming, and it has the ability to assist you in relaxing and letting go of tension. Additionally, they contain a substance known as eugenol, which has been demonstrated to have a sedative and antidepressant impact during clinical trials. Eugenol has the ability to control the amounts of neurotransmitters in the brain, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are crucial for regulating behavior, emotions, and mood. Eugenol can take advantage of this ability. After breathing clove oil for 15 minutes, the researchers observed that healthy individuals had a substantial reduction in stress levels and an improvement in mood. Clove extract was discovered to provide anti-anxiety properties in rats that were subjected to difficult circumstances, according to another study. Therefore, drinking clove water in the evening may be an excellent approach to improve the quality of your sleep as well as to calm both your mind and your body. Number 2. Take care of your liver health. The benefit of consuming clove water at night is that it can improve liver function and shield it from harm. The liver is an essential organ that does a lot of things, such making bile, purifying the blood, and breaking down nutrients. But there are other things that can potentially harm the liver, such medicines, alcohol, infections, and illnesses. There is some evidence that drinking clove water can assist enhance liver health by enhancing liver function and protecting the liver from illness. The eugenol that is present in cloves has the potential to enhance liver function in general and minimize the symptoms of liver cirrhosis in patients with fatty liver disease. The high antioxidant content of cloves may also aid prevent damage to the liver by scavenging free radicals and lowering the amount of oxidative stress that may be present. But cloves can mess with some medications that your liver processes, so it's a good idea to chat with a healthcare professional before you start drinking clove water regularly. So having clove water at night might be a nice way to support your liver health and keep things running smoothly. Number 3. Stop the process of aging. Because clove water scavenges free radicals and prevents oxidative damage, it can help prevent aging when consumed at night. Although aging is a natural process that all living things go through, there are a number of things that might hasten this process, including stress, pollution, smoking, and eating poorly. The body may accumulate free radicals, which are unstable chemicals that may harm cells and tissues and result in a number of illnesses and conditions as a result of these circumstances. Clove water could be a great way to help slow down aging. It's packed with antioxidants that might neutralize free radicals and keep your body safe from harm. Cloves are packed with antioxidants compared to other spices, and they score high on the oxygen radical absorbance capacity ORAC scale, which shows how well they can fight off free radicals. So there was this study that showed clove extract had the highest antioxidant activity when they tested 24 different plant extracts. So there was this study that showed clove oil can actually help protect human lymphocytes from DNA damage caused by oxidative stress. So having clove water at night could be a nice way to help protect your body from oxidative damage and keep your health and energy up. Number 4. Boost your immune system. It is possible that drinking clove water at night can help improve your immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells and combating infections. This can be accomplished by drinking clove water for the purpose of protecting your body against potentially hazardous invaders like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Your immune system serves as the body's defensive mechanism. The immune system is made up of a number of different cells and organs that collaborate to defend the body against illness and disease. Your immune system may benefit from drinking clove water in a number of different ways. The first thing to note is that cloves contain a substance known as eugenol, which has been demonstrated to possess antiviral and antibacterial characteristics. With the aid of eugenol, it is possible to prevent the growth and spread of germs that are responsible for common diseases like the common cold, the flu, sore throats, and ear infections. Also, cloves are packed with antioxidants, which can help lower oxidative stress and inflammation that might weaken your immune system. Third, cloves can boost the production of white blood cells, which are key players in your immune system. White blood cells play a key role in spotting, attacking, and getting rid of anything foreign that enters your body. So having clove water at night can really help boost your immune system and keep you from getting sick or help you bounce back if you do. Number 5, boost your oral health. Drinking clove water at night can be great for your oral health. It helps kill bacteria, prevents plaque buildup, and can even relieve toothaches. Cloves are known for their natural ability to fight off germs and can be really helpful in tackling oral infections. People often use clove water as a mouthwash or gargle to help with toothaches, gum pain, and bad breath. It might also help ease sore throats. So there was this study that showed using a mouthwash infused with cloves might actually help cut down on oral bacteria and plaque. There was another study that looked at how clove oil stacks up against benzocaine, which is a topical anesthetic when it comes to dental pain. So the results indicated that clove oil can numb just like benzocaine, which makes it a good option to consider before getting a needle or having a tooth pulled. So having clove water at night can really help keep your teeth and gums in good shape and avoid any dental issues. Number 6, prevent the development of cancer. At night, drinking clove water can help guard against cancer by inhibiting the formation of tumors and encouraging cell death in cancer cells. This is one of the benefits of drinking clove water. The molecule known as eugenol, which is found in cloves, has been demonstrated to possess anti-cancer capabilities in a number of tests conducted in test tubes. Based on the findings of one study, for instance, clove extract was found to be effective in inhibiting the formation of tumors and promoting cell death in colon cancer cells. Another study shown that clove oil lead to the death of 80% of the cancer cells found in the esophagus. Additionally, cloves possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can aid in the prevention of oxidative damage and inflammation, both of which can play a supporting role in the development of cancer. Consequently, consuming clove water in the evening may be an excellent method for bolstering the natural defenses that your body has against cancer. Clove water preparation. It is important that you be aware of these 6 incredible advantages that come with sipping clove water at night. To summarize, clove water is a straightforward and all-natural beverage that has the potential to enhance your health, appearance, and overall well-being in a variety of different ways. Reducing weight, improving dental health, protecting against cancer, regulating blood sugar levels, supporting liver health, easing digestive disorders, strengthening the immune system, reducing stress and anxiety, improving skin health, and preventing aging are all benefits that may be gained from supplementing with this substance. Bringing some water to a boil and adding a few cloves to it is all that is required of you. Then after allowing it to simmer for around 6 minutes, drain it and let it to cool down. It may be consumed in its natural state, or you can enhance its flavor by adding honey or lemon juice. There is also the option of putting it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. The best time to drink clove water is right before going to bed, since it has the potential to help you relax and have a better night's sleep. Additionally, excessive use of clove water might upset your stomach or result in bleeding issues. The secret to reaping the advantages of clove water without running any dangers is moderation. Have you found this video helpful? Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you may watch further helpful videos that are similar to this one. Our goal is to ensure that you are healthy, so thank you for watching.